welcome back to DIY with Dewey. Today we are fixing a toilet handle, flusher handle. So we have a new replacement here, and I'll add a link down below. They sell a lot of these everywhere. Basically any hardware store will have this. We picked this up for relatively cheap at our local store. But all right, well, let's go ahead and walk you guys through the process. It's pretty easy. All right, remove the cover on your toilet, and sometimes there's condensation on the lid. We'll set it aside. Be careful with it, you don't want to break that. All right, so our handle broke. So this usually connects to here, and it broke off. So go ahead and unhook this. Let's do it there for a bit. All right, trash. I have two types of wrenches, this wrench and an adjustable wrench. So I normally, if I can use the adjustable wrench, I'd rather use that so it doesn't scratch up. It doesn't scratch up the plastic nut that's on there. So basically you just loosen this. So it's reverse thread on here. So what I mean by reverse thread is it's opposite from the normal lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So like if you turn this way, it tightens. It's just the way the handle sits on there. They put a reverse thread. Trash that. Here's our new one. Let's go ahead and remove it from the package. Yeah, so it says reverse thread. It tells you which way it loosens or tightens. Okay, so we take this, insert it through there, and then take your nut, put the nut back on. All right, now we grab our hook and we hook it on there. So this chain is definitely too long right now. We're gonna go ahead and shorten it. So I don't really shorten it. What I do is I hook it back through like that. Here, let's see, we want it a little shorter. Let's do it around right here. Okay, so do you see how I looped it like that? And then take this and put it on to your handle. All right, now test it. We're gonna push down the handle. All right, well, there you have it, fixed. Go ahead and put the cover back on, and we're done. All right, well, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. We're gonna go ahead and flash it. All right, works. Well, that's pretty much it. Toilet flushes again.